Okay, my target's down there, like right in that area, 75 yards. So far, I've come really close a couple times, and not really close a lot of times, but close a couple times is good. So I'm doing the 75-yard Airgun Depot offhand challenge, shooting H&N Crow Magnums, and I'm using the Crosman Valiant Elite 22 caliber. And my legs are hurting, my back's hurting, but I don't give up too easy. So, yeah, it's right in there. All right. Wish me luck. The first couple pellets shoot low, then it warms up. When I was younger, I was excellent at open sights and just shooting, standing and shoot. I was so good, I shot my neighbor's sheets one time with my assault rifle. I went through about 8 boards. I didn't think that was possible. It was a Chinese assault rifle. I traded it for something I won't tell you about. But so there's 2 shots below the orange from before, on the orange target below the golf ball. Oh, that one went to the right. Directly to the right, 3 o'clock. I need to get me something on my shoulder. My shoulder's sore. Oh, I got it. There we go. All right. Either I got it or I hit the tape. Now, my achy knees and my achy back don't matter anymore. Yes. I came home a day early from shooting up at Lake Pillsbury area. The elk woke me up this morning. I was going to use my Benjamin Trail Elite, but it won't reach that far. After about 55 yards, it just drops to the ground. Big disappointment. But this is the same kind of gun. It's just got a better suppressor on it. Cross your fingers that I got it and didn't just hit the tape. Yep, I got it. There we go. Ha ha ha. Ha ha. Wow. I did it. I won't tell you how many shots it took me to get it, because I don't know. There's a lot. But I did it. Hallelujah. Crosman Valiant Elite 22 caliber with the H&N Crow Magnums. Finally, this is the last day.